Hello guys, welcome to Beauty of Bengal YouTube channel. Today's videos I will show you how to bypass your PayPal phone verification problem. So guys, let's start this video. First of all, I just submit my email and password and click login here. Then you will show my PayPal account is not login because they need additional information code my phone number. So guys, if you solve this problem, then please watch this video. I hope you can do it properly. First of all, you need to clean your browser all history. I clean my browser all history. Clear my data, then close my tab and create a new tab and click this link. This link I will give my description box. So you can collect this link from my description box. Right now you can click just help and wait some moment. Accept the cookie. Click login here. So now I just provide my email and password and normally just click login here. I hope my PayPal account will be login. So right now you just see already my PayPal account is login. So if you don't login your PayPal account, then please watch my video. I hope you can do this work properly. So if you enjoy our video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. No more today but more tomorrow. Convey my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.